So let's say, for example, in surgery 4, we've got the hygienist working, and we've got a patient coming in here who's seeing the hygienist for their hygiene, and then they're also seeing a dentist for the exam. So what we suggest here is popping in the hygiene item numbers. So let's go 114. I'll just do the 114, for example. If we complete the appointment, just close out of that one. I've just got this one on the side in the admin column. So this is going to be the exam appointment for the dentist. So if I assign the provider to who the dentist is, who did the exam, add in the exam item number, complete that appointment, I can then go to this one here and press combine pay. It'll bring up both of those outstanding accounts. I can select them both and I can just press high caps, and then it will transmit to the high caps machine and process the account all together. So that way you've got the correct item number going to the dentist, and the dentist getting commissions based on that. And then you've just got the hygienist who's just getting, if they do get commissions, they're just getting commissions on that item number. We don't have the facility in Praktika to be able to assign multiple providers to the one appointment, just to avoid room for error, basically. So per appointment, you can only have one provider. So that's our sort of way around popping in the exam for the dentist and the hygiene for the hygienist. I hope this helps.